Okay. Yesterday we were having a Zoom session. Agenda was why forex traders are keep losing and losing and losing, and additionally, these fucking brokers, they're making money, a lot of money out of those people who are losing. And if I can make a ratio of people who are losing compared to people who are generating money or profits, I think is to 2:8. 2 is people who are being profitable, consistency, and 8 people who are losing. So we're having the tips, we're having the strategies, not necessarily the strategies, but we're mainly focusing on what you should take. Okay, 1, we're speaking about patience, waiting, and discipline. 2, we're speaking about stop losses. 3, identifying yourself as a trader, whether you are a reversal trader or a breakout trader. And lastly, we're speaking about the psychology method. Most of the people in the forex trading, they love to say 90% it's psychology and 10% is technical analysis, which is true. But what is fascinating is people don't apply what they preach. Like, they don't apply what they preach. So yeah, I don't know why, but then it is what it is. It is what it is. So let us take a look, listen attentively to what was said on that audio.
Not yet. Yeah.
You
Wait,
see,
patience, or take out stop loss psychology. Yeah, I can see it now.
you
Read
see,
it.
sure, sharp. Now, I just wanted to break down or to brainstorm all of these 4 items, ne?
Yeah.
What you have raised was part of technical analysis and the psychology, ne? Now, when I say number 1, wait and patience, you said something earlier that on your trading of Nasdaq or US 100, you could have just waited way before you can execute it. That's what you said. And I can see my mistake, what I've done, because I have executed early, way before I took some of further confirmations, because I saw 1 candlestick. We are out of time now. 9 minutes. Okay. We are okay. Sharp. But then nakuza maka speed, man. Why? All right. Now, my confirmation was 1 bullish candlestick. Then I've entered. But then the time I enter, it was the time where now I see now it's late for me to close. This is why I showed you the support zone to say the market might reject or to exhaust in this psychological level and go to my favor. But then I was wrong. Like, I was completely wrong, because I've entered a buy on a resistance zone. Simple. It wasn't yet the support. So I think patience, or to wait, is such a very important factor ever in the market. We quickly tend to execute way before our confirmations. And waiting and patience is part of trading plan. Because if ever in your trading plan, I'm going to wait, if I'm trading breakout, I'm going to wait at least 4 to 5 candlesticks. Or I'm going to wait after a breakout, and then I'm going to wait for a retest going to retest a support zone. Therefore, that's why I'm going to execute, or I'm going to set a pending order so that when the market comes, is executing or triggering my pending order and then goes up. You see. So I think yesterday, what killed me on that trading, it was patience. It was patience, because if I could have just waited, I couldn't even enter the buy, because already I could have seen that it was a fake breakout. You see. Secondly, okay, can I give you a stand about number one, only number one, patience and waiting? Okay. Number two, I think the problem might be, are you a reversal trader or are you a breakout trader? That's the thing. Because hey, Pina, yesterday, that trade downgraded me, man. I've lost money. Because in order for you to identify yourself, you have to say, are you a reversal trader or are you a breakout trader? If ever you are a reversal trader, stick on it. Don't trade any breakouts, because we tend to trade both of them, reversal and breakouts, and therefore Hariso master even one of it. You understand? If ever you master reversal, stick on that and learn breakout afterwards. Or if ever you master breakout, then stick on it, and therefore later on you will learn how to trade reversals. You understand? And remember, reversals and breakouts, we trace them, or we see them based on the previous resistance and support zones. But then I think for us, you're gonna have to wait and take a self-introspection on trading, whether you are a reversal or a breakout. Because yesterday trade on Nasdaq, what I was doing, it was a breakout. Do I have a skill on breakout? No, I have a skill on what? Reversals. So if you make a trader reversal, I could have just sold. Trust me. You understand?
Yeah.
Number 3, stop loss, boy. Stop loss. You don't know how to calculate the stop loss, and we act like we do know how to calculate a stop loss, but we don't. Stop loss, you don't have to calculate a stop loss based on pips or based on how can I mention this? Yeah, but then stop loss, I think we need to calculate a stop loss based on the previous support zone or the previous resistance zone. It should be above the previous zone, or it should be below the previous support zone. Simple as. Because if you buying, obviously your stop loss should be below the previous support zone, as well as you selling, vice versa. But it could, because sometimes the market will be in our favor, but before that, it's going to retrace, go, sell, and therefore after taking you out, it goes to your favor. It happened to me, like I think 70%. Yeah, 70%. Number 4, psychology, man. Psychology is a number 1, number 2, and number 3. Psychology based on waiting is the most powerful factor. Waiting is the most important aspect in trading ever, and it's part of psychology. If ever I took a decision, one decision, I couldn't just compromise in my trade. We don't have to compromise any trade. If ever you stick on your decision, stick on your decision. Don't see any other impulsive moves or any other candlesticks that are selling, and now you see what is happening in the market and now you sell. No, psychologically you are blinded, and psychology now kills you because you couldn't wait. You understand? Yeah, you couldn't wait. So psychology now is include reversal and breakout trading. if ever you are a reversal trader, your psychology should stick on a reversal trading. Simple. That's how you're gonna master this, man. This is the game of losing and winning, but you're gonna stick on certain rules, at your own rules, in order for you to win. Psychology, once again, it's a stop loss. You see, the time Kenya stop loss, what tells you to put that stop loss in that certain price or on that specific price? And after entering that stop loss, are you recording the stop loss? Are you journaling your stop loss? But the psychology says no, it's useless to journal. Journaling my trade, it's useless. You see. Yeah, go ahead. You were saying something.
Yeah, I meant to say, like, you said something about calculating your stop loss. Is there any tools that we can use to calculate that stop loss?
Yeah, there is.
Okay.
Yeah, there is. There are many apps out here, but then I think you're gonna have to use a Forex calculator app. You can just go to Play Store and search it, and then you choose your specific financial pair, and then it knows. If you choose a GBP USD, it knows the price of the GBP USD because it's constantly being updated. Yeah.
Thank you so much. But somehow having to deal with psychology is something else, man. Like,
it's something else.
Over like trades, it's really hard. I've been trying for like 5 years or so to like learn how to deal with my emotions when I'm trading. Learn not to be too excited when I'm winning. Learn not to be depressed when I'm losing. It's difficult.
Sure.
It's really difficult.
Sure.
Yes, man. So what like suggestions would you give someone that wants to like maybe learn to manage their emotions?
Say advisors. Ne? Say advisors. Advice that I can give based on what I have experienced is identify yourself as a retail trader. Are you a reversal trader or a breakout trader? That's the thing, man. That's the thing to kill the game.
You're not supposed to chase two. You're supposed to chase one.
No, not at all, boy. Not at all. No. You can't master both of them. Never. Unless also master a reversal trading. Then you can go to breakout. You understand?
Yeah.
Completely no, boy. Yes, which is true. Okay, so now I think you've taken all the tips that we're speaking about, which is unnecessary to apply and to implement when you trade in the forex market. And additionally, what I can add is 1, patience. Ne? Patience, like I said on the Zoom session, like patience is everything. Patience is everything. Sometimes we execute, and then after executing, only because of we are not disciplined and we don't have patience, and then we keep our funds out of the market. Maybe when you are in the profits, you keep closing, and therefore now when you wake up early in the morning tomorrow, now the market is boom, it went into your profit, like it went into your predicted direction. Okay, it happened to me. Most of the time it happened to me. So you need to apply patience and trading plan. They align together. You can't have patience without a trading plan. Your plan is your TP and your stop loss. Secondly, part of the plan is I am not closing the profits, I am not closing the losses. Only the market will do so. Whether the market will trigger my stop loss or my TP, my take profit. Secondly, we spoke about reversal and breakout trader. Know yourself. Just know yourself. You can master these two trading methods or style, I can say. Either you are a breakout or you are a reversal. So when you're a reversal, don't be a breakout trader. Okay. So I've mentioned something like social media. On social media, people are bragging. People, like even on YouTube and Instagram, most of the time on YouTube, there are people that are trading gold and currencies at the same time. In reality, that is not the case. Either you are trading the commodities, which is gold, silver, and therefore the currencies. If you're trading currencies, only stick on currencies only. Do not try to confuse yourself, more especially when you are the beginner. Okay, so when you are there sitting there and when you are an advanced trader, you know what I'm speaking about. You know exactly. So do not pitch in the market in that psychology of trading gold as well as currencies, which is gold is part of the commodities. I hate that thing. This is why I hate social media and Instagram, as I'm specific. So I hate them. Why? Because it's poisoning. It's poisoning. The other friend of mine, he said that too much information is poisonous. And I say, why do you have to trade many financial instruments where else you can focus only one financial instrument, which is gold, or which is GBP USD as part of the currencies, or USD GPY? Other people out here, they are eating, they're milking the market, only trading one thing, only one thing, and then they're up. Okay. Thirdly, I spoke about stop losses. How do you calculate your stop loss? The price of the stop loss, how did you get it? One, there is an app called the Forex calculator. It helps you with the execution, pips, profits, like all the calculations that are involved in the financial markets. So a stop loss, you calculate a stop loss based on the previous support and resistance. You know, on the resistance, your stop loss must be above the previous resistance zone or must be below the previous support zone. Simple as that. Simple as that. And don't calculate your stop loss based on pips. Sometimes there's something called stop loss hunting, and it's hunting your stop loss and goes to your favor. And what will happen after that? And then lastly, psychology. I am going to preach these things each and every time. Psychology is part of trading, and you will never ever control it, but you can maintain it. One, emotions, anger, and secondly, fear of missing out, FOMO. Okay. And thirdly, I can speak about anything like when you are angry, do not go to the market. Don't trade. Okay, do not trade. And secondly, the fear of missing out is part of trading. But in order for you to take an advantage and make profits, follow your trading plan. The fear of missing out, it is when you see the price when it's moving, and therefore you say, I'm not going to lose this opportunity. I am going to execute. And then after executing, and then now you are in losses, which is that has been conceived by something called emotional trading and fear of missing out. Okay, and emotional trading goes to doubts. Okay, doubts, now you don't have confidence, and now you start to doubt yourself, and now you keep losing and losing and losing and losing and losing. So please follow all of those tips that we were sharing, that we're speaking about in that Zoom analysis or Zoom session. And lastly, people love to say, I don't want to trade alone. I just want to have a group of people to trade with. Do it alone, or do it with your partner, your friend, or even alone. Let's focus in that part. Alone. Do it alone. Don't go with that narrative or that the fundamental news that you seeing on Instagram and YouTube, which are fake fundamental news. People that are in groups either are illegitimate traders, or they are not, or they are IBs. They are affiliate marketer for a specific brokerage firm. So don't be blinded by those people who are trading with groups and they are together each and every time. No, they are together whenever they make videos. Okay, so don't be fooled. Be straight and be legit in what you want to do in the financial market. So nonetheless, thank you very much guys for watching this video. Hope that you will like this video. Please subscribe, support this channel so that you can give us a boost and advantage to make more of videos like this, so that we can open more people's eyes. People have been scammed, people have been defrauded, people are frustrated because of they've lost a lot of money in the financial market, and therefore they are meeting another fake mentors that are giving fake analysis, only to be there for the argument's sake of taking your money. So subscribe, like this video, even share it. Peace.